Welcome to our CSS course, and for this lecture we'll go talk about CSS3. So wetin be the meaning of CSS? CSS na cascading style sheet as we dey see, and we dey use this script when we dey write design for our page. So we dey call am page layout. So how we go take display our HTML, our heading, our paragraph, our image and the rest. So more we see CSS now. Example of CSS, we get inline CSS and external CSS. So if we dey use inline CSS, we'll get some paragraph. Now, if we want use inline CSS for this, we will use a word called style. So after style, we will set different values for them. But first of all, we will see how the thing will display if we save and load. So if we save and load, we'll get something like this. Okay, so it will just stay by default, meaning say no style or anything will be involved. Okay, so what if we add style to the page? So if we add style now using the style tag, then we'll set color to blurry wood or blue. Okay, now if you load, save and load, you see say we don't get new color for there. So to change the color of a text, use the word color, just color. Okay, so we get other syntaxes or code when we say they go hand in hand. So the way we use color for text, if we want to change the background of this entire page, all you need to do now go into the body. So you come here and you put style, then you say background color should be equal to, let's say, cadet blue. Okay, so name this. So this type of styling now we call inline CSS. If you still do other things such as this paragraph, maybe you want to make it the middle here. So all you need to do now to add, so you make sure say you not come up um for the quotation mark. So you just come here, add, sorry. So to check the position, you need to say text align to make out this center. So by the time you do this, you'll find out say your text with the center. So might just change this one to white. Okay, so we don't get this one. Not the only center there, we'll get text align left or right. So any of the angle, left could take you to the default area here. So this is not right. So we'll get some more return and back to center. And center. Okay, fine. So another thing what we fit do, we fit make the size stay big. So to do that, we need to adjust the font size. So font means handwriting. So the font, which is the letters. So font size, if you make them get large, we get extra large, we get this. Or if you give the value in pixels, so I will just take 60 pixels. So for now, we're going to use the value of pixel. Would you use pixel for now? we'll get other type of measurement, but as time goes on, we'll change good. And so using the pixel value, 60 pixel means say the text will increase size as we see now. So which other thing if we do? We fit still change the font family. Sorry, make sure say you leave this semicolon and come here, font family. Then if you choose any one of your choice, if you still go Google, may you browse any font family. I will show you how to get any font family of your choice. Now we'll just take monospace. You see some spacing in between the words, and bam. So here we go. This is an example of monospace, and when you see the spacing between the words. So if we change the font family, also we're going to the paragraph. Now we'll say um font size, sorry, style. Now we'll say okay, text decoration, say wavy. All right, okay, we'll do something else. Let's say um dotted. Okay, just give me a minute. So if you use text decoration, if na link, okay, so if we change just the font family, we'll say fantasy. Okay, okay, so fine, we don't change the font family. Okay, make I show you something else. Get what they call the font weight. So the font weight could reduce the thickness of the words. So take notes of the word now. Now if I go here and I reduce the font weight to like 500 and save, take note of how tiny the words go come dey. Okay, so another thing what we fit do, we fit put line height of 1.8. So either you leave at 1.8 or you add rem. Well, if you leave at 1.8, it will still work. So the line space now just to create line from top and here and here and here. So since it did the center, the lines on each side will just stay equal, especially from here and here. So now you get big space from the heading to the paragraph. So that just be the use of line spacing. So if you need them when you work on real projects, you need them well. So those are the things where if you do with inline CSS and many other things today. But if you notice something, we should say the style can be so long that it can't take over so much space. Another type of CSS, another way they want fit write this code. That's other way we'll talk about for the next video. So if you enjoyed the video, I beg make you like and hit the subscribe button. Then I beg if you get question to ask, if you ask them for the comment section below. And if you don't subscribe before, thank you very much. I'll see you for the next video. Take care.